Welcome back to the Lost Digit. Today we're looking at the LEGO Technic Porsche 911 RSR, and this is something I've been wanting for a while, and finally I got it just in time for Thanksgiving break so that I could spend a few days building it. Now, as you can see, there are 1,580 pieces, and it was a lot more than I thought it would be, because I've built, some LEGO sets maybe 15-20 years ago, but it's been a while, so I forgot how much time these things can actually take. So when you start, you put it together, and then you put together the differential, and then the drivetrain, and then the flat six, and then as you start putting the pieces together, you can see, oh wow, the steering column is actually connected to the wheels, and it's all geared correctly, and then you install the doors, and then slowly, hour by hour, it starts to come together. So overall, it took me about, I would say 8 hours, but really it was just over 3 days doing what I could here and there, spending time building it. And so I recorded footage here just as I went, and it really just slowly came together until the very end. When you start putting the body panels on, you realize how far along you actually are. So once you get it put together, it's one thing, but once you put the body panels on, you see that it's finally coming together. The coolest thing about this is that there are real doors, real suspension, a steering wheel that turns the wheels, and then my favorite part is the flat six is actually connected to the wheels in the back. So if you look at the back here, I'll flip it around. When you push or pull the car forward or backward, you can actually see the engine and the pistons moving with the wheels. So to see the engine, all you have to do is lift this rear panel and look in the inside while pushing it or pulling it. So you can see here that all of the cylinders have their pistons actually moving. So that's really cool, and it's very smooth. Overall, this thing looks great, and what I'm going to do is just put it on the shelf in my office so that while I'm working, working from home, I can see it and enjoy it and appreciate it. So this is a beautiful car in real life, and I'm really happy that I was able to get this LEGO Technic version of it. And if you're curious, check it out in the link below, and let me know if you have any questions. I can try to answer. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and see you in the next one.